Line a 9 by 12 inch cookie sheet with parchment paper. Spray olive oil or cooking spray onto the parchment paper, wiping any of the excess with a paper towel. In a bowl, add 1 heaping cup of mozzarella cheese. Then pizza seasoning and garlic salt to preferred taste. Then add a 1/4 cup of egg beaters. Then add a 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese. With a fork, blend all the ingredients thoroughly together. Scrape out all the ingredients into a 9 by 12 cookie sheet with a rubber spatula or a large spoon. Spread out evenly on the parchment paper in a rectangular shape with a large spoon. Place your meat and other toppings of choice on to the ingredients. Sprinkle more mozzarella cheese on top. Cut any excess parchment paper from the edges of the cookie sheet. Place the cookie sheet in a preheated 350-degree oven. Bake until golden brown, approximately 15 minutes. Remove the cookie sheet from the oven and let cool for about a minute. Slide a spatula between the crust and the parchment paper to ensure separation. Pull the parchment paper and pizza off onto a cutting board and cut into slices.